Korea, a top technology power that has blazed a trail in human civilization for 5,000 years. With the world's best technology that enabled humans to build solid castles by moving huge stones. As a representative business of Korea, Korea Hoist will open a new horizon in the hoist crane industry. With a more excellent performance, more safety, and more economically, you can always see Korea Hoist where a customer's new competitiveness is created. Korea Hoist, which has steadily made efforts to address challenges and search for new possibilities for innovation in the field of cranes, has been acknowledged for its excellent product quality and performance both domestically and overseas. Korea Hoist creates new experience and value for customers based on its accumulated experience, know-how, and harmony between people and physical operating systems, along with the creativity generated by carrying out humanitarian ideals. With the strong conviction that it will create a new growth engine in every industrial area, Korea Hoist leads hoist technology. In the petrochemical industry, where we extract energy, in the marine shipbuilding industry, where we explore and develop endlessly deep and wide oceans, in the auto industry, where goods and people are connected, and every power industry, which is the foundation of all the industries. Korea Hoist is a total solution company for the hoist crane. Also, Korea Hoist has all the technology that customers want. For this reason, it allows customers to work faster and more safely and efficiently. Korea Hoist is always with its customers. Korea Hoist is the most reliable partner that makes customers' dreams come true. Korea Hoist can manufacture hoists up to 400 tons, as well as explosion-proof electric hoist cranes and large pump lifters in the area of hoist cranes, which help move heavy objects more efficiently. Therefore, Korea Hoist contributes to improving customer competitiveness in all businesses, ranging from small factories to large plants. Korea's first air hoist, developed by Korea Hoist, is manufactured as 3 types: vane, gear, and piston. The air hoist has an excellent and thorough explosion-proof function by itself and cleaning. Therefore, it is safe and can be used effectively in clean installations such as areas with dust and gas hazards, along with production sites that need to be cleaned with its small size and light weight. The air balancer, which provides both function of hoist and non-gravity, has no jumping phenomenon and is more convenient in speed working. It also makes little dust and noise, leading to a cleaner and more pleasant work environment. KH Track System has the best flexibility and also is able to immediately make up less than 2 tons of crane at a very short moment. Korea Hoist has been creating another success story on the sea by manufacturing and supplying all range of hoists, chain blocks, and crane products used in factories on the sea and ocean plants with differentiated technical skill. Korea Hoist is one step ahead in creating new technology for a new future. The world's best technology may derive from ceaseless striving and passion. With many questions and attempts, Korea Hoist is always looking to look at the world from the customer's perspective. Korea Hoist has obtained core abilities for the future and continues to be in partnership with the largest domestic companies. Taking a step further, Korea Hoist has also accelerated exports to Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, as well as the United States. With a pioneer spirit and an iron will, Korea Hoist has grown into a world-class leading company in the hoist crane field. Korea Hoist has taken a step on a path not taken and has steadily opened a new way to the world. Korea Hoist, which continues to seek new possibilities for the world and the future, will go together with its customers and make a bigger way for its customers.